Hey, what's up, guys? I think you're gonna like this one because I just found a way to export your decals to Unreal Engine much more efficiently than what I showed in the playlist. I think the playlist is like 1 hour and 10 minutes long, but for the second part of the playlist where I was talking about changing the source code, you don't have to do that anymore. The first part is still useful though. So for this to work, you have to go to this Gumroad page. I'm going to leave a link in the description and just download the zip file. It's free. And this guy is just insane. I have no words to describe this shader. He's just a genius. So after you unzip your folder, just paste it into your content folder of whatever Unreal project you have. So I'm going to show you real quick. Just go to your Unreal Engine project and open this content folder and paste it here. I already have it. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Of course, you have to make sure that you also export your atlas maps. And this is why I said my first video in the playlist is still very useful. But just make sure here in the channel packed, right here, channel packed masks, that you set this one to alpha, second one subset, third one subset occlusion, and last one to none. So that's the first thing you have to change. The second thing, it's very important, is to export each decal type separately. Like create an atlas for the simple decals, another atlas for the subset, and another atlas for the info. Because in my video, I showed like how to create like one for both of these two. But you have to do it separately because you're gonna need you're gonna use 3 shaders in Unreal. So after you're done with your atlas, let's check out Unreal. So here you can see that the decals look perfect. And if I open my decal machine shaders and open this material instance, all you have to do is drag your atlas maps. And you can also play around with the colors. So this one is subset decal. So if I set the color here, you can change it. So this is the default option, is that you change the color here. But if you want to set your substance painter texture here, you have to change your master material. By the way, make sure you select your decals and assign these material instances here for this to work. Okay, so for substance painter, I go to this project. I open up my master decal shader. You're gonna see that I added my textures here from substance. So instead of this using, I don't know, whatever this base color, I used my own texture. This is the texture for ambient occlusion, roughness, and metallic. And I connected to these. It's pretty simple. It's not that hard. And maybe instead of using like hard-coded textures here, you can go to, you can use something like this, set it up with the parameters and just drag textures. So you can modify the shaders. And that's it. That's all you have to do. You can see here, I have my decals and they're perfect. So I hope this helps.